Is there a God? What is truth? What is the meaning of life? What is right versus wrong? If you have come across these questions occurring in your mind, which you would have at some point, then you have touched philosophy. But wait. Dictionary says philosophy comes from a Greek word, philosophia, which can be broken down into sophia, meaning wisdom, philo, meaning love. So the literal meaning of the word is love of wisdom. But sometimes the literal meaning deviates from the actual one. And when it comes to the definition of philosophy, there are no right answers. Let's come back to the questions we asked initially and say, why only these type of questions? Why not questions like, why the sky is blue? Why water is in liquid form? Why is the earth round? Sorry, Flat Earth Society. Well, these questions can be answered through observation or experimentation, unlike the first set of questions. For example, the sky is blue due to a phenomenon called scattering. Water is liquid due to the weak hydrogen bonds at room temperature. And the earth is round because of gravity. So there you go, you have the answers. But questions like, is there a God, cannot be answered in this straight fashion way. Majority of the world do believe in the existence of God, be it in the West world or the East. But then there are arguments as well, which try to prove against it. And then there are again counter-arguments. These arguments and the counter-arguments, which can take place either in your head or between a group of people, takes the shape of a debate, where both the sides try to reason out by putting their point forward logically in order to search for an answer or a satisfactory explanation. The goal, however, is not to find the answer in one go and settle with the fact, but the goal is to think rigorously till you find a real, serious, well thought out, rationally supporting answer. So yeah, philosophy is not simply a theory about something, nor is philosophy a belief or a wish. Philosophy is an activity of thought, a quest after wisdom, to answer questions which cannot be done through mere observation and experimentation, but through critical and broad way of thinking. So that was all about philosophy. If you have gained something out of the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the Bookclimber. Bye bye.